Hello guys, and this is Rex, and it's a free is the Deepcool. This is the RF120M variant. This is the fine, good fine. I actually had got like 2 yesterdays, and this is like the target for you can see that again. We're gonna check 2,000. Okay, so I'm going to take ahead I usually have like, usually that's the thing. I just can't use this thanks. So thanks. They just can do things and tools. So I just can't go take some things off. So things like some that I got the client for wrong. So let's do a try next. I hope that this guy could do it. So we'll start. I just get fired and I have to get every single thing. I couldn't accept a custom to get the next thing. I think that's what I can do. Instruments. Thing again. Aside because I don't got to control. I don't think they couldn't take the constraints. We could get kind of things and kind of done. So if we want, we're going to have a 16 that you have like you have the 5 hands, but then you get to have got like then you can get. But I also I can't get the control. I think you can. But okay, this is the. Okay, simple. It's like it's the repairing the kinks like the trying to get the things. Just considering questions. So if I have 3 francs, if I track francs, but if you add that things, you don't know how to go and like getting everything things. So this is like that it's cool. So that was the picture there, and then, so then, if I put this open, that's like, that takes drink, before I go to extreme Floridan, then, okay, we got stuff. So I got what 2 controls. So one of the 5 francs can go into one. And then one of them so I'll show you one because they're wearing freaking like all the things they don't, they catering, they can't take this control. So parents, so I got screens. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, parent. Next thing for each thing, the frame, and I've got fans. I think this is a main. I don't know if I ever got selected the old diagram, because I have two fans that uses the old diagram. So, but this you can go and the plane, you start electronics, technically, and the findings are going down, because about how, but I don't have. So, yeah, like, couldn't go to the game soon. Once I get that installed. But as being said, I can hope that guys, I can't get scheduling. You guys don't. Please, you like, comment, and then subscribe. And yeah, okay, that kind of it. Thank you guys for watching, and that's it. Bye.